Hello, this is a quick video about simultaneous equations. This is a problem on Tassomai that asks you to solve this in steps. It's not a particularly nasty one, but it's a good opportunity to talk through the basics of simultaneous equations. So I think the easiest way of solving simultaneous equations often is through addition or subtraction, to take these two equations and stick them together by adding or subtracting. And in this case, it's definitely going to be a nice way of doing it, because for the addition-subtraction method to work, you need one of your variables, either your x or your y, to match, to have the same size, the same coefficient. In this case, we've got one y here, one y there, so we're primed for this method. Now, do you add or subtract? That's the next question you need to ask yourself. Well, if they have the same sign, then subtracting one from the other will make it disappear, and that's what we're trying to do, get rid of the y. So subtract. If they had different signs, you'd be adding. So y minus y is nothing. 3x minus 2x is x, and minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So that's the first step, is to subtract and end up with, weirdly, 0 is minus 3. Now the second thing to do is then solve for x. Pretty easy. If x minus 3 is 0, then x is 3. So that's your sort of second step. Third step is then to take that value and substitute it back into one of these equations. It doesn't actually matter which one. I'm going to take this one. So I'm going to say y is 2x, 2 times 3, 6 plus 1. And then my last step is to add 1 and 6. Isn't that horrible? Y equals 7, the end. Done. So I hope that was helpful on basic simultaneous equation by adding and subtracting. Thanks very much for watching.